Hello everyone, welcome in this video. So in this video we are going to solve a new problem, that is inverse of an array. So in this problem we have been given an array A that is of size n, and we just need to calculate the inverse of that array. Now let's see that how we are going to calculate the inverse of array. So let's say we are having an array A which is of size 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and its indexes would be 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it consists of the elements 4, 2, 1, 0, 3, and we just need to find the inverse of this array. So the inverse array would be of same size, so we are making a blank array of size 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Its indexes would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, so let's represent these indexes with this variable I and represent these values with a variable value. Okay, so here at index number 0, the value is stored is 4. But in the inverse of array, the working of means these values just got swapped. Means here at index 0 we are having value 4, but in the inverse of array at index 4 we will have value 0. Okay, so the value variable is working here as I variable and I variable is working here as value variable. Now at index 1 we are having value 2. So in the inverse at index 2 we will have value 1. In the actual array at index number 2 we are having value 1. So in the inverse of array at index 1 we are having value 2. In actual array we are having value 0 at index number 3. So in the inverse at index number 0 we will have value 3. Here at index 4 we are having value 3. So here at index 3 we will have value 4. So in this way we calculated our inverse of array. So what would be the steps? We will iterate over all the elements of array. Then we are going to make a variable value that will store the value at ith index. Now in the inverse array at index number value we are going to store I. Okay, so now let's try to code it. So here we just need to write the inverse function. So firstly we need to make an inverse array of size n. So we are making an inverse array that would be initialized with 0. Now we are going to run a for loop till size n, and we will make a variable value that will store the content at ith index. Now in the inverse array at index number value we are going to store I. Now after performing all the operations we are going to return our inverse array. So our code has been accepted. Now let's try to submit this code. So it has passed all the test cases. So it was an easy question and I hope you got this, and thank you for watching this video.